Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. If you are not subscribed my channel so far, please do subscribe it. More strategy videos are coming soon. Okay, let's discuss about today's topic. Today we are going to discuss about how to make previous day low breakout failure scanner. That means it's a buying scanner. So let's see. First you open charting.com. There you can see create scan. Just click create scan. Then here you can see plus button. You just click here and just click here low, and here you just click 5 minutes and just change to 0 to previous candle. So previous 5 minutes low less than or equal to low of previous day, so 1 day ago. So our first step is completed. The second step is the previous 5 minutes high greater than 1 day low. Okay, and the final step is latest 5 minutes close greater than 1 day ago low. So our scanner is completed, and here you can change to future and just click run. So this is a live stocks result. So Wipro, National and Vedanta. Just click Wipro. So previous day low, this is the previous day low, and here you can see market is touch previous day low and trying to reclimb, and here we got a chance here. See, market is breaks and comes down and again pull the area. See, okay. And the second stock is National. This is the previous day low. So now this is a breakout failure. Now you can see it's trying to reclimb back. So we can take buy here and place stop loss below the recent low. The last one is Vedanta. Vedanta also you can see it's showing a reclimb. See here, now it's showing a reclimb. So we can take buy here and place stop loss just below the recent low. Okay, and target you can place the next resistance level. Here is the next resistance and this one. Okay, these are the two levels you can place as a target. So this is the live stock result, and if you want to check the back test, you just save this scan previous day low breakout failure. So buy scanner, and just click submit. Now you can back test the stocks. Just click here back test. So these are the so many stocks are comes in live market. So what are the stocks are comes in opening time? Just check 9:20. These are the stocks are comes in 9:20. Just have a look. So the first stock is Kotak Bank, and you can see here this is the Kotak Bank and this is the previous day low, and you can see here this is the low breakout and failure, and it's going up. So once you feel that the stop loss is too high, then leave it. Here the first candle is break the low and the second candle is goes up, but the candle is too large. Once you place stop loss, you can place stop loss below this candle, but that's a stomachi point. The risk is more, so you just leave it. Kotak Bank. Tata Consumer. So Tata Consumer, you can see here. See, once it's break a failure and another, we got a buy signal and it's going up. See, so it's hit the level here. Why it's hit here? Because there is a resistance there. See, this is the resistance you can see here. So that's why it's touch this resistance and comes down. Okay, so that's our target. And the next stock is Havells. Havells, this is the previous day low, and you can see here once it's breakout failure, it's a buy call, then it's going up. Here also you can see the target. See, so many candles are this area. See, this is the target. Bandhan Bank. You can see here. Whenever it's a first candle breakout failure and second candle give a buy call, after that it comes down but it didn't break the low, then again it's going up only. See, Ultrasemco. Ultrasemco is the breakout failure. See, first candle is break the low and second candle give a buy call, but the third candle, this is our stop loss. So our stop loss is hit and it comes down. So you can see here. So it's here Ultrasemco stop loss is hit. Once stop loss is hit, we can go for sell because the trend is down. TCS. Yeah, good movement TCS today. This is the previous day low. This is the first candle break the low and second candle gives the buy call. Then you can see it's a boom. And this was our target. This was our target. But once it's break the target also, it is going, and today is the jackpot. So this is the previous day low breakout failure scanner. It's very simple to make. In my previous video, I will show how to make previous day high breakout failure. It's for sell scanner and this for buy scanner. Those who following buying stocks, you can use this one, and those who are interested in selling, you can follow that scanner. Okay, so this is very simple. I will explain 1 second. First 5 means low less than or equal to 1 day ago low, and minus 1 5 greater than 1 day low, and 0 that means latest 5 minutes close greater than 1 day low. And once you create this scanner, just run in live market. So whatever the stocks are breakout failure, low breakout failure, that means buy, you can get the signal here like this. So you can buy at the current market price and place stop loss is the recent low below. That's it. So hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. And if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me anytime. My WhatsApp number is 8848943849. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, just search Nicholas Nilo on your Telegram. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.